Hey guys, it's Quad Kid Sports, and today I'm going to be showing you my new puppy I got. Well, it's not brand new. I got it 7 months ago, and her name is Buttercup. She's half Great Dane and half Boxer. And she is bigger than Sissy, but is 6 years old, and she's just a pit bull, and she's sleeping right now. Buttercup just farted. Oh gosh. Oh yeah. And we're also bivouacking in our backfield over there. And I'm not at my aunt's house this time. I'm at my house. And yeah. Oh yeah, the reason they don't have collars on, Buttercup chews hers up. It's right here. Oh. Yeah, and what are you doing? And we've been training her. Buttercup, come here. Sit. Shake. Good girl. Good girl. And Sissy's not like Buttercup. Buttercup's energetic, and Sissy's just lazy. But Sissy's already trained. Oh, sorry, my camera got off. I'm back. And Sissy's still trained. She knows more than Buttercup. I'm not gonna talk for a second. I'm just gonna show you what Buttercup does. Buttercup. Hey, stay. Come here, Buttercup, come on. Yeah, we only had her for 7 months. Sorry if you hear something in the background. That's just my brother. He is playing Xbox, and I'm giving shout outs to SCMC and What's Up Yeti Poke Killer. Go watch the videos and subscribe and like. You don't have to if you don't want to. And I'm not gonna talk for a little bit and just show you what Buttercup does. I only talk if I need to stop her. Stop. Don't stop. So she was trying to sleep. Hey, stop. Sorry. I'm using my crappy YouTube app. Buttercup. This video, let's try to get 3 likes. And we'll try to get that because I've just started YouTube. I didn't get that. I'm not that good at it yet. But soon I'm gonna buy a new camera. And that was my new puppy. And bye.